Have you ever dreamed of traveling alone but felt nervous about taking the leap? What if I told you solo travel can be fun, freeing, and totally stress-free? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first solo adventure amazing without the stress. Hi, I'm Cricken, and welcome back to our No Stress Travel series. Solo travel might seem intimidating, but with the right planning and mindset, it can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. In this video, we'll break it down step by step so your first trip is smooth, safe, and super fun. When it comes to your first solo trip, start small. Pick destinations that are known for being safe and easy to navigate. Think cities or countries with friendly locals, good transport, and plenty of activities for solo travelers. Avoid places with complex visa rules or travel restrictions. Choose locations with strong tourist infrastructure. Check online reviews from solo travelers, Reddit, travel blogs, and forums are gold mines. Planning is your best friend. But here's the key: don't overpack your schedule. Build a flexible plan. Pick a few must-see spots each day, but leave room to wander, discover hidden gems, or even just relax at a cafe. Solo travel is all about freedom. Book your first night in advance so you're not stressed on arrival. Use apps like Google Maps, TripIt, or travel journals to keep organized. Always have a backup plan for emergencies. Know local emergency numbers and nearby hospitals. Safety is a big concern for first-time solo travelers, but with some simple habits, you'll feel confident everywhere you go. Trust your instincts. If a place feels off, leave. Share your location with a friend or family member. Keep copies of your ID, passport, and important documents. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. It goes a long way. Remember, being alone doesn't mean being lonely. Strike up conversations, join group tours, or attend local meetups. People are often more welcoming than you think. Solo travel is your chance to connect with yourself and experience the world on your terms. Take photos, try new foods, explore, and give yourself permission to do what makes you happy. Don't stress about perfection. Every moment is part of your adventure. Keep a small journal or vlog. Your first solo trip is a story you'll want to remember forever. So, are you ready to take the leap? Your first solo adventure doesn't have to be scary. With a little planning, confidence, and an open mind, it can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stress-free travel tips. And share in the comments, where will your first solo trip take you?